Ew, am I a deist? No! Deism is belief in the existence of a supreme creator who has never intervened in the universe after having created it. In other words, they would say that God, after creating earth and the laws governing her, never interfered with the operation of those laws. That is, rejecting any supernatural intervention in human affairs. Also, most deists reject any revelation as a source of divine knowledge and that God never interacted with humanity. That is, God's existence is revealed through nature only. I do believe that God is primarily revealed through nature, but not nature only. I believe that God's major revelation came through him taking on human flesh in the person of Jesus Christ. I believe that on an extremely rare occasion, miracles do occur. I also stand by Ephesians 6:12. We wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principalities, powers, rulers of this world's darkness, against spiritual wickedness in high places. I might call myself a holotheist. And here, deism is one step from the far left, and my position would be on the very far right. Those who see deism as bad and who might call me a deist include those who foolishly assert that God constantly controls our lives instead of our free will. This often culminates in the 5 points of heretical Calvinism. All this is an attempt to escape personal responsibility. Others assert that miracles are common and/or there's no such thing as a coincidence. This makes believers feel good at the expense of destroying the credibility of faith in the eyes of non-believers. Instead, see the YouTube video titled Spooky Coincidences by the Vsauce channel. And Michael does a fine job of explaining that. Also know that devout believer Sir Isaac Newton contended that mathematical laws govern how the universe works because that's how God made it. In summary, I believe that 3 aspects make our world go round: divine providence, that's God's providence, free will, and science. Deists deny the first one. Immature monotheists deny or ignore the second and third. Please see my other post for better understanding.